I have a problem in page 102, number 6. Each of the bases of a right prism is a regular hexagon with one side which measures 6 centimeters. What is the volume of the prism if the bases are 15 centimeters apart? So this is the hexagon, this is the prism. So the side is 6. So since it is a regular hexagon, well, the sides are all equal, so 6, 6, 6, 6. So we have the given is we have our side 6 and the height of the prism which is 15. So in order to get the volume of the prism, we need to find the area of the base. So to get the area of the base, so B is equals to 3 square root of 3 s times s squared divided by 2. So 3 square root of 3 times, substitute 6. So since it is squared, so 6 times 6 is equals to 36 over 2. So the answer would be 3 square root of 3 times 36 divided by 2 would be 93.53. So now we have the B, the area of the base. So in order to get the volume of the prism, we need only to times B times the height of the prism. So volume is equals to B times the height. So we substitute B, 93.53 times the height, which is 15. So the answer would be 93.53 times 15. The answer is 1402.95 centimeters. It will not be squared because it is volume. So when it is volume, it will be cube root. So cube. So our answer is 1402.95 centimeters cube root.